Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Romance.
Let's break it down.
This word is often spoken with extra stress, but the correct way is romance. Start with ro, smooth and rounded, then finish with mance. Together, romance. Now let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Romance, romance, romance. If you got it right all 3 times, you just unlocked the perfect sound of romance.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Romance, 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 romance.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.